how to see other people's friend list on Snapchat. Without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device. And after that, make sure that you're logged in with your Snapchat account. Now to view your friends' friend list, first of all, you have to go to their profile. In order to do so, tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. Once you land on your profile page, if you scroll down a bit and there under friends, you will be able to see all your friends by tapping on that option that says my friends. Here under my friends, you will be able to see all your friends on Snapchat. So select that account or friends where you would like to view their friends list. Once you go to their profile page or their chat section, now navigate to their profile icon from the top left corner. Now, if you scroll down a bit, unfortunately, there you won't be able to find any of the option to view their friends list. That's because of the privacy and policy of Snapchat application. You can only customize your chat color, view their wallpaper, or you can share location with your friends, but you won't be able to view their friend list. So with that on your mind, you won't be able to view your friends' friend list on Snapchat. And hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.